What are you going to do today, Darryl?
Go very high.
And do you think you're going to hurt yourself?
Likely, yeah.
Yeah. And your name, sir?
Shane.
And what are you going to do today?
Go fast as possible.
And Jody?
What?
What are you going to do today?
Try and jump.
Big jumps?
Try.
Let's get the bike out. What is this bike? It's a Stomp, isn't it?
It is a Stomp.
Stomp 125X.
Put my finger in my tank.
Lean back. Lean back. Lean back. Oh, this is going to be the crappiest video I've ever done.